Imagine waking up one day and realizing almost every job around you has disappeared. Drivers replaced by self-driving systems, writers replaced by AI, teachers replaced by digital tutors, doctors assisted by machines smarter than humans, cashiers gone, designers replaced, programmers automated. And suddenly, humanity begins asking one terrifying question. What will be the last job only humans can do? Right now, artificial intelligence is advancing faster than almost anyone predicted. Every month AI becomes smarter, faster, more creative, more human-like. And for millions of Americans, that progress feels exciting and terrifying at the same time. Because throughout history, humans always believed one thing. Machines could replace physical labor, but never human intelligence. That belief is now collapsing. Today, AI can write scripts, generate videos, create art, analyze data, answer customer service calls, write computer code, and in some cases, perform tasks better than highly trained professionals. What once sounded like science fiction is quietly becoming reality, and companies are paying attention. Because from a business perspective, AI is almost perfect. It works 24 hours a day, never gets tired, never complains, never asks for vacations, and costs far less than human workers. That's why corporations across America are investing billions into artificial intelligence right now. Because whoever controls AI could control the future economy itself. But while companies celebrate innovation, millions of workers are beginning to panic, especially white-collar workers. For years, people believed office jobs were safe. Writers, designers, accountants, programmers, marketing teams, analysts. These careers once felt stable. Now many workers are watching AI complete tasks in seconds that once took humans hours. And suddenly people are asking frightening questions. What happens when machines outperform humans in most industries? What happens when companies no longer need millions of workers? What happens to human purpose itself? Because work is not only about money. For many people, work is identity, meaning, self-worth. When someone asks, "What do you do?" they are really asking, "Who are you?" But AI threatens that identity. And maybe that's why so many people feel emotionally uncomfortable when discussing artificial intelligence. Because deep down, the fear is not only losing jobs, the fear is becoming unnecessary. Think about how terrifying that sounds. Human beings spent centuries building civilization through intelligence. Now, for the first time in history, human intelligence itself is facing competition. And the scariest part? The systems replacing humans are improving every single day. Every search, every prompt, every interaction with AI makes these systems smarter. While most people still treat AI like entertainment, the world's largest corporations see something much bigger: power, profit, control. Because in the future, the most valuable resource may no longer be oil or money, it may be intelligence itself. Artificial intelligence. And maybe that's why one question now fascinates millions of people online. If AI replaces almost every profession, what job will remain uniquely human? Some believe creativity will survive. Others believe emotional connection will become the final human advantage. Therapists, caregivers, artists, leaders, people capable of genuine empathy. Because even the smartest machine may struggle to fully replicate human emotion. At least, for now. But others fear even those boundaries may eventually disappear. AI companions already exist. AI therapists already exist. Virtual influencers already attract millions of followers online. Machines are becoming more human-like every year. And humanity is becoming more dependent on them every day. That changes society psychologically. Especially younger generations. Many Gen Z workers already feel uncertain about the future. Housing feels unaffordable. The economy feels unstable. Now artificial intelligence threatens career security too. So millions of young people feel like they are preparing for a future no one fully understands. And maybe that's the real reason this conversation feels so unsettling. Because AI is not only changing jobs, it may change what it means to be human. For centuries, humans believed intelligence made them unique, special, irreplaceable. But now, that belief itself is being challenged. And maybe the last human job will not simply require skill. Maybe it will require something machines still cannot fully understand. Human emotion, human consciousness, human connection, the ability to truly feel. Because perhaps the final thing separating humans from machines will not be intelligence at all, but humanity itself. So the next time you hear someone say AI will change the world, understand what that really means. This is not only a technological revolution, it may become the biggest identity crisis humanity has ever faced. Because somewhere tonight, inside massive AI data centers across America, machines are learning faster than millions of humans combined, preparing for a future where humanity itself may no longer be the most valuable worker on Earth. And honestly, that possibility may become one of the most terrifying turning points in human history.